Nung mag-guest ako sa Itbulaga, I had to face my fears. Again, palit ng palit yung suit ko. But I don't usually do two-piece. I'm very conservative in a way that I feel like my whole life is already in front of the camera. But I did it well naman. Mukhang classy naman ang itsura ko. And I had fun, this whole Brazilian. So, na-enjoy ko naman siya. Summer ang kanilang feeling. This is usually how we start the days of taping. Makeup.
Lagi na kasama si Eva.
So this is how I put my eyelashes. I don't like it fake. I like it natural. Ah!
Ngayon na teacher ko, pinagtatawanan ako ng laki. Dahil sarili kong ako, nakipagmabutihan sa kanya.
So sorry, Lord. This is the first time that I had a script that I don't want it to end. I'm working with great actors, all best actresses. Lobby, Alex, a famous best actress. So, pag may eksena kami, feel namin lahat. So, ang saya.
Okay, rolling. 5, 4, 3, 2. Monitor, lapit, and... Action!
Nakahanda ng lahat. Hindi so right. Diana, thank you so much for doing this for me. I really appreciate it. Siyempre naman, hindi ka nababol, kaya gagawin ko yung para sa'yo.
She's exact. Para akong tumitingin sa salamin. Pag, am I fat? She asked me that, am I fat? So parang, am I fat? We're both enjoying our lives and we love to dress up. We love life. We love to enjoy life. I really enjoy our friendship. She's loyal. I'm loyal. What more can you ask for in the showbiz industry? Wala na.
Hello?
Ay, yung director ay kalbo.
Bilang artista, magaling siya. Kaya masarap siya ka-eksena. Kumbaga madadala ka. Because meron kang mga hugot from her. She's always on time. Para favorite ko.
Parang favorite mo ko ulit. You hurt me really bad and I will never forgive you. I will never accept you as my sister. Natasha, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry? Sorry!
Sorry, magaling ako umiyak. Madami kasi ang acts eh. Dami na pinagdaan sa showbiz. Lahat ng lane it. My God. My first project was Acero with Richard Gutierrez. I went to Dubai and I had to face my biggest fear was to do that belly dance with mga fat spots. But it was good because I've never really got to go out and like Dubai and shoot a soap opera there.
Bakit ka lang sa akin, Christina?
My favorite was Luna Mystica. I love that because I was playing two roles as a contrabida and a bida.
Sinugal niya ang buhay niya para sa ikabubuti ng marami. Hindi pa niya panahon. Huwag niya siyang kunin.
Si Celestina, napoportray ko yung femme fatale na peg ko yung mami ko din. Maybe pa red lipstick. And then yung kawawa, ganyan. So, I like it kasi napapakita niya yung range ng acting. Napapakita niya yung two sides of me na parang pwede pala siya ganito, pwede rin siya ganyan. Say bye, Yogi! Say bye! Again, say bye! Good boy! Bye!